Okay, in this video we're going to talk about conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is an awesome tool that you can use to highlight data based on certain criteria. And you can come up with really simple or really complicated rules to highlight your data. In this example, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this sales data. And the sales data is by salesperson and then by month. And what we want to do is highlight in yellow all the sales that were less than $500, and then anything between 500 and 400 we're just not going to highlight, and then anything over 4,000 we're going to highlight in green. So to add conditional formatting, first we're going to highlight the area that we want the conditional formatting on, and then we're going to go up to the Home tab, and then under the Styles section select Conditional Formatting, and then we're going to go and add a new rule. Now we're going to use a formula to determine the formatting. And well, first we're going to select our format, and we're going to go up and fill, and we're going to pick yellow as the color. And here what we're going to do is say equals, and our cell, and if that's less than 500, and click OK, and as you can see, that's gone and highlighted everything in our range that's under 500. Now to add the formatting for over 4,000, we're going to do the same thing in the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and we're going to add a new rule. And again, we're going to use a formula to determine the formatting, and here we're going to pick green as the color, and then we're going to do a similar thing. So equals, and pick our top cell and give it a relative reference, and then over 4,000, and then we hit the OK button, and again, as you can see, everything over 4,000 has been highlighted green. And so now that's a quick and easy way to see to highlight certain things in your data that you want to see at a glance. And this is dynamic, so if we end up changing something, so if I change this 4,778 to something like 3,500, we can see that the green formatting goes away. And if I change it to something like 400, you can see that the yellow formatting will come. And that's conditional formatting. It's a great tool that you can use to highlight your data.